This brand is made in Mexico by Ream Manufacturing and the units are sold through dealers in the USA. All of the models feature louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, as well as powder-coated paint and rust-resistant screws to keep the units looking nice for years to come. They have durable scroll compressors and microchannel coils for a more compact unit. They offer optional electric heat kits in sizes from 5 to 15 kilowatts to provide central heating, but they are somewhat noisy with a sound rating of 76 decibels. The RSPM 14 Seer models are for slab mounting with horizontal air discharge, while the RACA 14 models can be installed on a roof, down discharge, or on a slab. The units use R-410, a refrigerant which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R-32, and their guarantee is not as good as many brands. This brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.